Right, this is my Waggler rod setup. So got my trusty Mitchell match, Silstar Power Match Rod, and then I've got a loaded Drennan carp Waggler here with float stops. Got about 4 to 5 feet of depth where I'm fishing in the margins. One small weight there, swan shot, and then 4-inch hook length to a size 16 banded pellet rig, essentially, with a pineapple and coconut flavoured Bandum Wafter on there. So the idea is that I'll be fishing for anything on the bottom that is up for something sweet and bright yellow and looks a bit like corn. So really anything from roach to tench, carp and bream. So yeah, fingers crossed.